In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a WhatsApp AI website assistant with memory and 24-hour compliance. We'll walk through a practical workflow that starts the moment someone messages your WhatsApp business number and ends with a clear, helpful reply delivered right in chat. First, the WhatsApp trigger listens for incoming messages. Each time a user reaches out, the workflow captures the message text, the user's identifier, and a timestamp. That message becomes the question your assistant will handle. Next comes the AI agent, which acts as the brain of the operation. It receives the user's question and follows your system instructions to behave like a real-time website assistant for your company. The agent is designed to understand the question, search your site within defined limits, read page content, and then produce a useful, grounded answer. Keeping the search controlled ensures it stays focused on your domain and respects any boundaries you've set. Powering the agent's responses is the OpenAI chat model. In this setup, it uses GPT-4o Mini, a fast and cost-effective choice for live chatbot automation that still delivers fluent, context-aware replies. To maintain continuity, conversation history is stored in a PostgreSQL database, keyed by the user's WhatsApp number. This allows the assistant to remember prior messages, keep context over time, and avoid repeating itself. As a best practice, decide on a retention policy and ensure your storage aligns with your privacy guidelines. For website discovery, the List Links tool helps the agent find pages to explore. Provide the root URL, and it returns up to 100 internal links. From there, the agent selects the most relevant pages rather than crawling everything, which speeds up responses and reduces unnecessary load. When a page looks promising, the Get Page tool fetches the visible text, stripping out HTML. That gives the agent clean access to product details, pricing, shipping, and policies, so answers are accurate and traceable to your site. Because WhatsApp Business enforces a 24-hour customer care window, the workflow checks whether the last user message is still within that period. An evaluation node then routes the flow. If the window is open, the assistant's reply proceeds. If it's closed, a pre-approved template message is sent first to reopen the conversation. Make sure you have those templates reviewed and approved in advance. Before sending, a cleanup step removes bold and italic markers and converts markdown links into plain URLs for WhatsApp compatibility. Finally, the assistant's answer is delivered instantly in chat, or, if needed, the template goes out to resume the thread and continue helping the user.